Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to explain about two Java Spring programs, one of creating to login application and other for demonstrating using the radio button. Those programs used to Spring, which is the part of Java GUI form, framework, used to build window-based application Spring, provides complement like buttons, labels, and text fill to create interactive interface. Let's speak about a program one, which means login application. Let's start with the first program. The program application in this program, I create a class called login app, which extended the JFrame class. Implement the action listener interface. Extended JFrame help help us help us to create the main application windows. Let's go with the program. And implementing action listener allow us to handle button click and events inside the construction of this logic app login app class. I set the title of windows as 118 Spring application. I also define that windows user sizes 400 comma 200, which means 400 to 200. Then I use the method set layout null so that I could manually position the each compartment in the frame. Next, I added J label complement one of the username and another for password. This label are placed using set button method, which define the position and size of the frame. I create J text field for entering the user and J password field for entering the password. The text field allow us to type the login credits. I also added J button name login that user can click to check whether the enter details are correct or not. Now I used login button and action listener to handle the button click event when the user when the user clicks login button, the action performance method is automatically executed. Inside action performance method, the username and password entered by the user and stored in the two variables. The program then clicks whether both username and password are equally to Karunya. If they don't match, message box appears showing login successful, and then they not match, the display login failed. This is this is done by using J operation panel and show message digilog method. Finally, this main method, I created object of login app to display GUI window. When we run this program, a small login window appears when we can enter the username and password. If the both Karunya set and login successful is correct, it will go inside. Otherwise, it will fail. Then we go to radio button demo. Now moving on to second program, the radio button demo. In this program, I created class called radio button demo, which also extended JFrame and implement action listener. Start here. In construction, I set URK1180, that's my roll number, JButton demo. Set the size of window and user board layout, arrange complement neatly, and I added label top of the web. Please choose your favorite language used to JLabel complement. Next, I created three J ratio button complement, one of Java, one of ASP, net, and one for SQL. To ensure that only one button can created at the time, I added all three buttons to down group. Then I arranged the inside Java using floor layout so they appear inside can be inside by inside. Each radio button is assigned to an action listener, so whenever one of them is selected, the program performs usually action inside action performance method depending on Each button is clicked. A message box appears displaying approach message. For example, a Java option has been selected, or then ASP.NET option has been selected, or then SQL option has been selected. When we when we run a program, when you run a program, simple GUI use the three radio buttons. Selecting any one of them show pop-up message describing which language you have chosen. Let's go with conclusion. In conclusion, both of the program, the Swing can be used to create interactive desktop application. The first program shows usability of login. The next program shows radio button. Thank you.